Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is November 10th, 2025. And we're getting ready to head to Argentina for Dev Connect. We'll be at DeFi Connect November 18th and 19th. We'll have a booth, so stop by, say hello. I'll be speaking at the Stablecoin Summit and at the Oracle Summit. So looking forward to that. And with that, let's get started what we're up to this week. And yeah, let's get started with I don't know, Spuddy, you're unmuted, so let's start with you.
Uh, no, I'm not really sure what all I should talk about. Did a lot of work last week on our RPCs and currently working on the new reporter release. We've kind of had a bunch of releases that we haven't like put in the docs because they require like changing the configs after the release. And I think we want to get that fixed. And so kind of just working on all that. I have a lot of little bugs. So it's just like a lot of little bugs to fix too.
And with that, also our plan is to start uh, testing the rewards mechanism next November 17th. We plan to add some rewards just so that we can test it and then, on mainnet. So this is gonna be real. So if you guys are part of the community, come test with us. And with that, Spuddy, we're also gonna be in Argentina the week of the 17th. So this week we'll be testing documentation with you. Make sure that hopefully we ask all the questions that future validators and reporters might be asking. And hopefully it'll make that week a little bit easier for you. But we'll see. So yeah, guys, plan on going to docs this week.
Should mention also that we had our first like significant bridging of TRB by someone in the public. I think it was like 120 TRB.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
And that was on mainnet, right?
I'm opening up my dashboard real quick to check.
Yeah,
And
it was on mainnet.
120 TRB on mainnet.
Awesome. Well, welcome, community member, whoever you are. Um, I'm guessing you're going to become a validator, a reporter, or both. So hope to see you
Woohoo.
with us. Yeah. Yeah. So Tim.
Yeah, I'm standing up uh, standing up some monitoring for some new adapter contracts we deployed last week, um, and also doing some adding some relayers for a base data bank, base network data bank, um, so that we can supply data over on base network. Um, and there was one other thing. Yeah, just monitoring and relaying on base. Yeah.
Well, thanks, Tim. Ryan, how's the Dynamo coming along for Dynamo Challenge for Argentina? We can't hear you.
Dynamo Challenge, rebranded to just Grip Strength Challenge, just to keep it. Am I frozen?
No, you're good.
Oh, okay. Um, yeah, Grip Strength Challenge. The site is done, so that's ready to go. I'm now working on the relayer. Actually, trying to revamp it and give it a kind of a different tab for just the most recent price of everything. We can add a heartbeat and threshold to that. And then there's also the Sepolia ETH feed. Something seems to be stuck in terms of updating the new prices. So just looking into that right now.
All right. Well, thank you. Dan?
Spuddy gave me some suggestions for the LVM last Friday. So I'm working on that, and I'll check out the reporter release as well.
Okay. Caleb?
I was trying to figure out why we had a block time increase after the mainnet upgrade. And I wrote a script that breaks down like each block, like how long each step of consensus takes and everything. And I ran it on Palmetto. No, I ran it on mainnet. Didn't really have any before data to compare it to, so it didn't mean anything. So I thought I would run it locally, do the upgrade, compare. But the chain is so fast locally that there was like no time difference. So I'm going to try to adapt the script that I have so that going forward, whenever we do an upgrade, I can start running that script right before the upgrade, and it will also run after the upgrade. So we automatically have that data every time we do an upgrade. Um, but the good news is the block time has gone back down. It's like 1.8 something again instead of over 2. Um, so that's good. Other than that, get back into the Block Explorer. I was almost done with that before I got pulled away. But yeah, that is all.
Right. And that's interesting that it went back down without us doing anything.
I think it might have been like just a lot of people got jailed around the upgrade. So it could be just less people made it a little slower, or I don't know, but it is a little odd. So hopefully next time if it happens, we'll have the data to try to explain why, or at least know where the extra time is coming from.
Mhm.
Was it, if I remember correctly, it wasn't like right at the upgrade height, was it? It was
Eh,
just around the time of the upgrade.
yeah,
So it could be like a cosmic forces of the internet type of situation. Like something changed that made the latency of one of the validators longer.
maybe. But if it happens again, hopefully this data will show what's happening.
Cool.
Great. Akram.
Still working on the data feed, or not the Relayer webpage. Should be done with it today. But I'm also trying to debug the new release by the reporter.
All right. Nick, anything?
On the lots of people jailed, we did also increase the jail time last week on Palmetto, and we'll be doing that on mainnet as well. It was, what was it? It was 15 minutes. Now we pushed it to an hour. Basically, lots of people were getting jailed. They weren't being malicious. They were just restarting things. It was too short. So we bumped that up. So hopefully, our goal would be nobody gets jailed unless they're being kind of malicious or their machine actually shuts off. So look for that change if you see a proposal on mainnet. Should be good. Yeah, and then got some other stuff going on, but that's it for the call.
All right. And tomorrow it's a holiday in the US, guys, so enjoy the time off. I'll see you guys later and Wednesday. All right.
What?
Everybody else? Yeah, it's a holiday. Yeah, everybody else, see you next week.